Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to mute audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video footage with the audio that you want to mute. Drag the video with the audio to the timeline for editing. Identify the audio track associated with the video clip. Audio tracks usually appear below the video track in the timeline. To mute the audio, simply click on the mute button over here. It is represented by M. This will silence the audio. So that's it, your audio is muted. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.